Hi Pre-K2, we're going to do a landscape with a road and we're going to talk about the word perspective, okay, today. So it's going to be something new for you guys. So perspective means when something is farther away, it gets smaller. I'll show you on my drawing. Notice how the road is smaller at the top. The closer it comes to us, it's going to appear to be bigger. This creates the illusion, like a magic trick, that something is farther away. So we're going to practice that in today's drawing, okay? So our first step is we're going to kind of do a hill, a very small hill over here. And then we're going to do another hill. They should be attached, okay, with a little point at where they meet. At the point where they meet, we're going to do a squiggly line that comes all the way down to this left corner. Now, this line up here, we're going to do a second line next to it. It's going to be parallel, but it's going parallel means two lines that are going in the same direction. So it needs to be similar to this line, but we're going to make it slowly get bigger and bigger. So we want it to start out this skinny, but we want it to get this big at the bottom. See how I gave myself dots? That's going to help me know how big to do it. So you can go ahead and give yourself dots too. So I'm going to start out parallel, just like I said, two lines going in the same direction. But I'm slowly going to make that line. You see how I'm getting slowly? It's getting a little bigger and bigger and bigger. So this might take a couple practice tries for you to get it just so. Okay, and there we go. It got a little bigger at the bottom. That was our goal. So if yours got a little bigger at the bottom, then you're good. If not, I recommend trying it one more time because that's the lesson for today. Okay, now we're going to draw a tree. The tree is pretty easy. We're going to do a curved line this way and a curved line this way. We can connect the bottom with whatever, a squiggly line or a straight line, whatever is easier for you. Then for the top of the tree, that's the tree trunk. Now we're just going to do letter C's. C, 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 C. These are also semicircles. That means half a circle. Okay, so if I were to draw a circle and then cut it in half, that would be a semicircle. Okay. Now the main part of our landscape is done. We can do some frills, I guess. We can add some clouds, which is just more letter C's. Okay. C, 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 C. It's easier than saying semicircle, so I go with C. And then you can do the same thing inside your tree. We're giving it texture. If you want to add flowers, go for it. I'm not going to for this particular picture. And you can add birds if you want to. And then we begin to color, all right? So pick a blue for your sky. And I recommend having a few pieces that like your broken pieces to fill in big areas. Don't ever throw those broken pieces of crayons away. I use it for this purpose. So fill in that sky. This is much easier on your hands. Your hands won't hurt as much. You won't get as tired or bored. You can just fill in that sky really fast. Okay, easy. Now let's do the grass. You might as well just do the tree trunk, the tree top with the grass. Don't worry, we'll make it stand out later. Don't do the tree trunk. And don't color your road. For your road, when the time comes, you can pick whatever color you want for the road. Do you want a gray road? Like, is it a cement road? Or is it a dirt road? You can do it brown. You guys decide. I'm gonna do brown. I like the idea of a dirt road more. Okay. So I'm gonna do my road. And I'm gonna do my tree trunk. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back into my tree and I'm gonna make it darker because I think it needs to stand out. And then maybe black for my birds. And that's it. That's your picture. We learned a lot of new words today. We learned perspective, okay, and we learned parallel lines, where two lines are going in the same direction. And in this picture, perspective means when something is close to you, it's bigger in a picture, in a painting or a picture. When it's farther, it's gonna look smaller. You can practice this by taking a picture of yourself or taking a picture of anybody or anything for that matter, one close up and one far away. The object or person will not change, but they will look smaller or bigger in the picture. All right, kids, hope you had a good day. I'll see you again next week.